It's Super Sunday. No, it's not Super Sunday. It's Leil Archipelago Shorthanded Race 2025. The race starts with a short reaching, then downwind you can set the Spinnaker, then upwind and a long reaching upwind, and then wind from the side probably, and downwind and a short reaching again to the finish line. Very little wind today. It's also a reverse start. The slowest boat starts first and the fastest in the end. You can see some boats has already started here, and one boat is passing the starting line just here. 9 boats in the race today. Also another trimaran, a fast Dragonfly 28 performance. But as always, the dominant 105 with Anders Dalsjö, and the XP38 is always dangerous, and so is the bad boys in the CB66 Racer. Here you can see pro sailor Anders Dalsjö gliding over the starting line in very light condition with his dominant 105. I messed up completely here with my handheld camera. I accidentally put it in time-lapse mode. That's not the best. But I got the video from my 360 camera, so at least we got something here. Here you can see Boo in the XP38 preparing for the start as well. We tried to avoid being in his way, it was not too easy. Then our true competitor Martin Hansson in his Dragonfly 28 performance with a new code 0 for this day. Looking great, looking fast, but I think he would like some more wind.
3, där, kan bara ta. Sen har vi 3 sekunder senare. Okej, då går vi upp helt enkelt.
My friend Philip is steering the boat today, doing a really good start. We're reaching out to the first mark, and then we set the Gennaker, and we have already, I think, catched up some meters to the others. But then it's going very slow down to Myra, the first island to go around. But during the next upwind we got like a private wind. We could head almost to the next mark, 20 degrees higher than the other boats. We're taking the lead. We're going really good in this super light condition. Here you can see the top mark with almost no wind at all, and it's also 2 knots current against us here. Anders and Bo both heading for the mark, but we are coming here from starboard, and it looks very promising to go around for us. I tried to place myself in the front of the boat to lift the stern out of the water, and also the other hull out of the water to go a bit faster. Jag ser. Hur fan vad ser.
Det är liksom spännande där. Ja, men nu är vi i alla fall förbi pucken.
Ja.
Det klarade vi då.
Ja. Faller vi.
Ja. Först vid picken.
Ja.
Faller vi lite.
Ja. You can also see that the bad boys for life, is already close to the other boats up there. Who has to tack 1 extra time and for port, and it needs to go behind the other boats.
Den första, det kändes som ett delmål tycker jag. Det känns som, fan har vi inte ska ligga kvar för
We are talking about amazing upwind and tactics, how to secure this for the next leg. Once again, Anders managed to catch up with us with his big Spinnaker, but the wind turns against us and it's a little difficult to go that high with the Spinnaker, and we set our code 0 and could reach to the last mark.
Jag tog om soltimmet och så, men jag
ska fixa det.
Jag drog upp vagnen lite förut. Nu ser det faktiskt ut som att vi går ifrån dem lite där för.
Ja. Det var nu.
Jävla bra.
I clean up some lines on a boat and preparing for next leg, that is a short downwind with Gennaker. But right now this is the best angle to the wind in this light condition with the code 0. The other cannot set any Gennaker probably, and here we can go fast. You can almost not see the other boats in the horizon, it's only the dominant 105, you can see clearly here. We set the Gennaker behind the code and then quickly furl in the code and keeps the speed up. Only one jibe needed and we can aim for the narrow finish line.
Gör det, kör bara rakt in i mål. Bra jobbat, Filip! Första båt, otroligt bra filmat.
We end up in 5th place in handicap, and it's the bad boys with their small boat that get the champagne in the Leil Archipelago race. Really nice sailing, and thank you for watching. See you next time.